Okay, the Chinese Zodiac 2018 is Year of the Dog. I happen to be a dog, so I'm going to share with you one of my favorite Chinese foods, homemade egg rolls. Guys, this is one of my favorite, funnest dishes to make. They're simple, they're fresh, and they're really easy to make. So let's get started. First step is to just put your pan on medium-high, throw in about a pound of lean pork, and then just stir that up and brown it up. Give that probably a good 5 minutes or so. The next step we're going to do is putting in our ginger. So we are going to grate our ginger, probably about a tablespoon. Now I like a lot of ginger because I like that flavor in my egg roll. Okay, the pork's been on about 5 minutes or so. Now we're going to throw in our ginger. That we grated up. The smell of the ginger. You're going to love that ginger. Oh, delicious. Julienne carrots. So what I like to do with the snow peas is I do like to take off sort of the fibrous top to the snow pea. Only because I like the crunch of snow peas. That's why I use them. A lot of people use bean sprouts, but I use the snow peas because I like the crunch. But I do like the fiber out because it just kind of gives you that cleaner crunch without all that fibrous stuff in there. So I julienne my snow peas. We're going to throw those in with the carrots. We're going to salt and pepper to flavor, maybe a little handful of pepper and a little salt. We're going to throw in our shredded cabbage. Now you can see all those beautiful colors. The beautiful snow peas, the carrots, the cabbage, all coming together very nicely. We don't want really the cabbage to cook down too much because we really want the crunch of everything in the egg roll. That's what makes it fantastic, especially when it's fried on the inside of that, when you get that crunch. Now I like to finish this off because my personal preference is with about a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce, just to flavor. Now, keep in mind that soy sauce has a lot of sodium in it, and because it has a lot of sodium in it, you want to be easy when you put your salt and pepper in and you season it. We're going to go ahead and get our wrappers ready and wrap some up. The key here is to set up a little production line. So we have our little pork mix, we have a couple of pretty big plates, and then we have our egg roll wraps, which you can get at any grocery store. And then you also have your little thing of water, because what you want to do with the water is you want to seal and gum the egg roll wrap. You'll gum it up in one. So let's take an example of what we're going to do. You take a dollop of your pork mix, and then basically, don't be afraid to just wrap that up. You tuck that in, then you tuck this in, then you will tuck this in. Now if that happens, just pull that out. Now you just wrap them up, take your little dipping of water, and you just go ahead and seal that, and then you want to just put them right over here. Okay guys, so it's such a beautiful day. We're out here, we're gonna do these on the grill, right? So basically what I have here is I have a quart of peanut oil. Now peanut oil we're using because, their flash point is very high. So when you're frying, it's a very clean taste on the peanut oil. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this, one of the most important things to do is to let the oil really heat up almost to the flash point of like 400 degrees. So once the oil heats up, carefully drop in, I usually drop in about 3 at a time, and it only takes about 1 to 2 minutes, so really keep an eye out on those. Then take them out, let them drain a little bit, and then what you're looking for is that golden brown crispy consistency. We're going to grind through these, we're going to go inside, we're going to have a happy Chinese New Year. I love to submerge myself into different food cultures, and Oriental Night is a great way to do that. So enjoy your egg rolls and invite a few friends over. Have some fun. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out at Mike's Favorite Eats. Happy Chinese New Year, especially to you dogs out there. And subscribe to our channel, we'd love to have you. Check out a few of our other videos and leave a comment. What's your favorite eats? See ya.